Did you know that even a 1-second delay on your website can cause your conversions to reduce by 7%? In this video, I'm going to explain how to speed up your website. First off, optimize your images. Use tools like TinyPNG to compress your images without losing quality. Remember, the smaller the image, the quicker the page load time. And remember, JPEGs are traditionally smaller than PNGs. Next, make sure to use a fast hosting provider. Hosting provides a crucial role in your website's performance. Make sure to pick a hosting provider with fast speeds. I recommend places like SiteGround and HostingUp. Tip 3. Consider using a CDN. A CDN delivers your static website content to servers all around the world. This makes sure that all the users on the internet can access your website super fast. Step 4. Use a caching plugin. A caching plugin will cache your website, minify any CSS and JavaScript, and perform database cleanups. You don't need to know what all of this means, but just know that the caching plugins will speed up your website dramatically. I recommend caching plugins like WP Optimize. And finally, to test your website speed, make sure to use websites like GTmetrix and Pingdom. This way you can test how your website's performing and see exactly what is slowing down your website. Okay, cool. And that's how to speed up your website. If you need a super fast website, contact Frontback Development today and let's get started on your project.